For decades, eggs got a bad rap, unfairly blamed for raising our cholesterol and harming our hearts. What if I told you this long-standing belief is largely a myth, and that eggs are actually a nutritional powerhouse for your cardiovascular system? Stick around, because by the end of this video, you'll discover why eggs might just be the secret weapon your heart has been waiting for. Let's crack this myth open. The cholesterol in the food you eat, known as dietary cholesterol, doesn't always directly translate to high cholesterol levels in your blood. For most healthy people, your liver adjusts its own cholesterol production based on what you consume. So eating an egg or two won't automatically send your blood cholesterol soaring. In fact, eggs are packed with nutrients that actively support heart health. Take choline, for instance. This essential nutrient plays a crucial role in regulating homocysteine levels, an amino acid linked to heart disease when elevated. Then there are the healthy fats. Eggs contain beneficial monounsaturated and polyunsaturated fats, including omega-3s, which are known to reduce inflammation and protect your heart. Plus, they're a great source of antioxidants, like lutein and zeaxanthin, which fight oxidative stress, a key contributor to heart disease. Even the American Heart Association now states that healthy adults can enjoy an egg a day as part of a balanced diet. So how can you easily incorporate these heart-healthy powerhouses into your meals? It's simpler than you think. Instead of just toast, try a quick veggie scramble for breakfast, loaded with colorful peppers and spinach. For lunch, add a hard-boiled egg to your salad for an extra boost of protein and nutrients. And don't be afraid to experiment with egg-based dinners, like a delicious frittata packed with seasonal vegetables. So remember, eggs are not the enemy, but a valuable ally in your quest for a healthier heart. Embrace them as part of your balanced diet and feel the difference. If you learned something new today, give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to Green Plate for more easy-to-digest nutrition truths.